Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks so much for visiting the channel. Today we're going to be conquering Canva with me. That's Celeste, and we're going to answer the question, how do I add a QR code or a quick response code to a Canva file? So before we do that, I am going to ask you to go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel and be alerted when I create some other great content for you related to Canva. Before we get going, don't forget like and share. So let's go. QR codes are quick response codes that are little barcodes that can be scanned and will take you to electronic destinations like websites, links to downloads. I've seen people send them to products that people can checkout, like automatic checkout, as well as forms that they can fill out during workshops and other events. So there's a lot of ways that you can use these QR codes. Today, I'm using mine to add a QR code to a flyer for an event that I am posting on social media. It's a virtual paint party that I'm hosting, and I want people to be able to scan as well as type in the web address. So in Canva, this is very, 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 very simple. All you're going to do is go to, once you log into Canva, and I'm in a Canva Pro account, but it works on the free Canva also. So when I go down to apps, Canva has lots of apps. This little waffle that says apps. Canva has lots of apps that you can use to do different things with it. So I'm going to go in the apps and put QR code in. Once I type in QR code, it's going to give me all of these choices. I'm going to go ahead and choose this first one. It's the one I use the most. And it's going to ask you to enter a URL in. So I already have my URL copied, and this is going exactly to my Eventbrite page, my landing page for Eventbrite that has all of my events on it. And so I'm going to put that link there. It could be any link that you have to your website, to your landing page, all of that. I'm going to click generate code, and it's going to pop this big code right here in the middle of my screen. Of course, I don't want to leave it there. So I'm going to take the corner anchor there and resize it. I'm going to make it just a little bit smaller because I also like to add my event link in its actual word form, just in case somebody can't do a QR code. So in Canva, that's pretty easy. You're going to click text. I'm going to take this a little bit of body text and add that in. I'm going to go ahead and paste my link in. I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit smaller. I'm going to pull it over here, and since this background is red, I'm going to go ahead and make my text white. And let me highlight it. I'm going to highlight it, make it white, and I'm actually going to make it bold so it stands out, so that anybody, if they can scan, they can scan. If not, they don't. So right now, this is done. This is ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and download this. I know this is page number 7 in my 16 pages on Canva. I'm going to go ahead and download it as a PNG. You see that's almost tricked me. Made me do an MP4. I'm going to do a download as a PNG, and this is ready to be used as my content for my event. I'm going to be able to post it, link straight to my Eventbrite. And that was so simple. In a few steps, you were able to learn how to add a QR code to your Canva document. I hope you like that. Go ahead and subscribe and like this video, and even share it with someone you know might need to learn how to use Canva. Until next time, we're conquering Canva with Celeste. Bye-bye.